Hey, welcome back. Today we're doing something super useful in Hindi, how to say there is and there are. This is one of those patterns you'll use all the time. In a room, in a shop, at home, on the street, in your fridge when you're hoping for snacks. Very important life skill. The big idea is simple. In Hindi, a very common way to say there is or there are is to say the place first, then the thing, then hai or hain. So, yahan chai hai, literally, here tea is. Natural meaning, there is tea here. And wahan do kursiyan hai, there are two chairs there. So the pattern is place plus thing plus hai or hain. If it's one thing, usually hai. If it's more than one, usually hain. Nice and practical. Let's make it visual. Imagine you walk into a room. You look around and say, Yahan ek table hai. Yahan ek table hai. There is a table here. If there are two tables, Yahan do table hai. Yahan do table hai. There are two tables here. How do you say, there is tea here, in Hindi? Yahan chai hai. Yahan chai hai. Yahan chai hai. Good. Notice something nice. With stuff words like tea, water, sugar, milk, you usually just use hai because you're treating it like one uncountable thing. Yahan pani hai, there is water here. Yahan doodh hai, there is milk here. How do you say there are two chairs there in Hindi? Wahan do kursiyan hai. Wahan do kursiyan hai. Wahan do kursiyan hai. Nice. Kursi means chair. Kursiyan is chairs. And hai helps you hear that it's plural. Don't stress too much about making every plural perfect right away. At A2, the main win is hearing the pattern. One thing, hai. More than one thing, often hen. Now, let's add another super commonplace word. Men, meaning in. This is great for existential sentences too. Ghar mein doodh hai. Ghar mein doodh hai. There is milk at home. Bag mein phone hai. Bag mein phone hai. There is a phone in the bag. Kamre mein teen log hai. Kamre mein teen log hai. There are three people in the room. So you have two very useful visual frames. Yahan or wahan for here and there. And place plus mein for in a place. All of them can express there is or there are. How do you say there is a phone in the bag? Bag mein phone hai. Bag mein phone hai. Bag mein phone hai. Now here's an important practical contrast. Sometimes Hindi uses the same verb, but the meaning is different depending on what you're focusing on. Compare these two. Bag mein phone hai. There is a phone in the bag. Phone bag mein hai. The phone is in the bag. Whoa, same words almost, but the focus changes. In bag mein phone hai, you are introducing that something exists in that place. There is a phone in the bag. In phone bag mein hai, you already know which phone we're talking about, and now you are telling its location. The phone is in the bag. This is super practical. If someone asks, do you have your phone? You might say, phone bag mein hai. The phone is in the bag. But if someone asks, what's in the bag? You might say, bag mein phone hai. There is a phone in the bag. So the shortcut is this. If the place comes first, it often feels like there is or there are. If the thing comes first, it often feels like a location sentence. The thing is somewhere. Bag kursi par hai. Bag kursi par hai. Bag kursi par hai. Nice. That one is a location sentence. We know the bag and we're saying where it is. Also, par means on. So mein is in and bud is on. Tiny words, big power. Let's build a few more. Yahan ek bachcha hai. There is a child here. Wahan bahut log hai. There are many people there. दुकान में कॉफी है. There is coffee in the shop. सड़क पर एक कार है. There is a car on the road. Quick side note. For people, you'll often hear log for people. It doesn't change to a different obvious plural form in the same way some nouns do, but you still use hen with plural meaning. Wahan log hai. There are people there. Now let's do questions, because honestly, this is where the pattern becomes instantly useful in real life. To ask is there or are there, just add kya at the beginning very often. Kya yahan pani hai? Is there water here? Kya kamre mein AC hai? Is there an AC in the room? Kya wahan dukanein hai? Are there shops there? How do you say is there water here in Hindi? Kya yahan pani hai? Kya yahan pani hai? Kya yahan pani hai? Perfect. And if you want a very casual spoken rhythm, your voice also helps. But kya at the start is your best friend. Super easy. How do you say are there people outside in Hindi? क्या बाहर लोग हैं? क्या बाहर लोग हैं? क्या बाहर लोग हैं? Great. Bahar means outside. Very useful word. Bahar, inside is andar, andar. So you can say, Bahar ek bike hai. There is a bike outside. Andar do log hai. There are two people inside. Now negatives. This is easy too. Just put nahi before hey or hey. Yaha pani nahi hai. There is no water here. Kamre mein kursiyan nahi hai. There are no chairs in the room. Ghar mein chini nahi hai. There is no sugar at home. How do you say there is no sugar at home in Hindi? Ghar mein chini nahi hai. Ghar mein chini nahi hai. Ghar mein chini nahi hai. Nice. Chini is sugar. Also, yes, it can also mean Chinese in other contexts. But don't panic. Context saves the day. If you're in the kitchen, it's probably sugar, not a surprise geography lesson. Now let's compare 4 practical patterns, because this is where learners sometimes get mixed up. First, yahan chai hai. There is tea here. Second, chai yahan hai. The tea is here. Third, wahan do kursiyan hai. There are 2 chairs there. Fourth, do kursiyan wahan hai. The 2 chairs are there. Both can be correct, but they don't feel identical. Place first often introduces what exists in that place. Thing first often points out where that thing is. Memory trick. Think of a camera. If your camera points at the place first, you're saying what's there. Yahan, what's here. If your camera points at the object first, you're saying where it is. Chai, where is the tea? That little camera trick helps a lot. Let's do a few more naturally. How do you say there is a market there? Wahan ek market hai. Wahan ek market hai. Wahan ek market hai. How do you say there are 3 books on the table in Hindi? Table par 3 kitabein hai. Table par 3 kitabein hai. Table par 3 kitabein hai. How do you say, is there milk in the fridge in Hindi? क्या फ्रिज में दूध है? क्या फ्रिज में दूध है? क्या फ्रिज में दूध है? Beautiful. Now a few common mistakes. Mistake 1. Using hi for everything. In casual speech, people may still understand you, but try to notice plurals. 1 chair, kursi hai. 2 chairs, kursiyan hai. 1 person, aadmi hai or ek aadmi hai. Many people, log hain. Mistake 2. Forgetting the place marker. If you want to say in the room, say kamre mein. On the table, table par. At home, ghar mein. Those little words matter a lot. Mistake 3. Mixing up there is and the thing is there. Remember the camera trick. Place first, often there is. Thing first, often location. Mistake 4. Overthinking articles. Hindi doesn't need a or the in the same way English does. So, yahan kitab hai can mean there is a book here, depending on context. If you want to be clearer, you can add ek, yahan ek kitab hai. There is a book here. Now let's hear a short mini story. Just listen first. सुबह मैं किचन में गया. वहाँ एक कप चाय है और टेबल पर 2 केले हैं. फ्रिज में दूध है लेकिन घर में चीनी नहीं है. मैंने पूछा, क्या यहाँ कॉफ़ी है? मेरी बहन बोली, नहीं, यहाँ कॉफ़ी नहीं है. फिर मैंने देखा, मेरा फ़ोन बैग में है. Now the same story, one line at a time. सुबह मैं किचन में गया. In the morning, I went to the kitchen. वहाँ एक कप चाय है और टेबल पर 2 केले हैं. There is a cup of tea there and there are 2 bananas on the table. फ्रिज में दूध है लेकिन घर में चीनी नहीं है. There is milk in the fridge but there is no sugar at home. मैंने पूछा, क्या यहाँ कॉफ़ी है? I asked, is there coffee here? मेरी बहन बोली, नहीं, यहाँ कॉफ़ी नहीं है. My sister said, no, there is no coffee here. फिर मैंने देखा, मेरा फ़ोन बैग में है. Then I saw that my phone is in the bag. Nice. Did you catch the mix? Some lines were existential, like, fridge में दूध है, there is milk in the fridge. And one line was a location sentence. मेरा फ़ोन बैग में है. My phone is in the bag. Same family, different focus. Let's do a quick spoken flow together. I say the English, you think the Hindi. How do you say there is tea here? यहाँ चाय है. यहाँ चाय है. यहाँ चाय है. How do you say, is there water here in Hindi? क्या यहाँ पानी है? क्या यहाँ पानी है? क्या यहाँ पानी है? How do you say, there is no sugar at home in Hindi? घर में चीनी नहीं है. घर में चीनी नहीं है. घर में चीनी नहीं है. How do you say, the bag is on the chair in Hindi? बैग कुर्सी पर है. बैग कुर्सी पर है. बैग कुर्सी पर है. How do you say, there are 2 chairs there in Hindi? वहाँ 2 कुर्सियाँ हैं. वहाँ 2 कुर्सियाँ हैं. वहाँ 2 कुर्सियाँ हैं. Awesome. That's the core of today's lesson. So here's the recap. To say there is or there are, Hindi often uses place first plus the thing plus hai or hain. यहाँ चाय है. वहाँ दुकानें हैं. कमरे में एक बेड है. घर में लोग हैं. For questions, add क्या. क्या यहाँ पानी है? For negatives, use नहीं. यहाँ पानी नहीं है. For simple location, put the thing first. Phone bag में है. The phone is in the bag. And remember the camera trick. Place first. What's there? Thing first. Where is it? That's it. Clean, useful, powerful Hindi. Not fancy. Just the kind you'll actually use. Keep noticing these patterns around you. Look at your room right now and say 3 sentences in Hindi. यहाँ क्या है? वहाँ क्या है? Bag में क्या है? Bus, lesson set hai. You're doing great. Little by little, this stuff starts feeling automatic. And once it clicks, you'll hear it everywhere. See you in the next lesson.